all the Mobile Madness live events. Completed these sets where if you put in 3 brackets, you get 1 Mobile Madness gold player. I did that 10 times, but I had to do all the live events to get the brackets. So I ran out of brackets. And then I put them in with this set. I put in 10 gold players, get an elite. Did that, got myself an elite. And at this last one, the final bracket, you get an elite Mobile Madness player. Took me a long time to get to there. Okay. Okay, well then I'm gonna just open up 2 packs. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for this video. So real quick video. I'm gonna open up the bracket. That, come on, 84 trials. Wait, when I exit out? Okay, there. That's it. Round of 64 players. What is this? Requires 3 more Madness elite players. Why would you do this to me, NBA Live Mobile? Why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me? 2 of the same player. Well, as you can see, it'll let me go over there. Okay. As you can see, I got Mobile Madness Stephen Curry and a bottle of LeBron James, since I had James Harden right there. So Stephen Curry spot, and I sold a bunch of other players, like gold players that I didn't need. So yeah, I'm probably gonna sell one of them. Maybe I might do the sets where you get the other players. Or you know, let's do one right now. So this video wouldn't have to be so short. Isn't there one where you can turn into 2 of them players and it gives you an upgrade? Or was that 32? I'm not sure if these players have a higher overall or not. I'm scared to do this. I don't know. I'm coming down here. See, look, I have the right things for this stuff. And see, I could do it. I could do 1 or 2 of them if I wanted to. It's probably going to be the one. I'm sorry if there's things going on in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it because my mic sucks. If you could even hear that. I don't know. I don't even know. players for that. But the 4 cards are only like a 97 overall, so I don't know why they would do that. Unless they just have extras. They really don't need it. I mean, I might just sell both of them. Not even sure. No, I need the brackets. I need them. I need them. Alright, well, like, subscribe, do whatever. Watch the rest of my videos. Do that, I guess. Bye-bye.